Hey, what's up everyone, in this video we'll be talking about the OnePlus 10R 5G. OnePlus is coming back with this new mid-range smartphone, and if you talk about the design, on the front we have this large display with this punch hole camera in the middle. Also on the rear we have this type of camera module, and we also have this OnePlus logo on the side. As you can see, the texture is totally different here on the back panel. Now if we talk about the display here, it will feature the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel. We also have the 120Hz of high refresh rate here, so really good quality, high quality display of 6.7 inches we have here, and we also get the high refresh rate. Now if we talk about the chipset, this one features MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max. Now 8100 Max is the upgraded version of the regular Dimensity 8100. This one is an octa-core processor with the peak clock speed of 2.85 GHz. Also internally, this one features the ARM Cortex A710 cores with up to 2.85 GHz of speed, and also the 4 cores of ARM Cortex A510. This one also has the ARM Mali G610 MC6 GPU, and it is faster compared to this previous version. So basically this one has the faster GPU speed. So the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max is a really good option here. Now if we talk about the internals, the base variant will be 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and the second version will be 12GB of RAM with the 256GB of storage. Also the RAM here will be the LPDDR5 and storage is UFS 3.1. Now in terms of the camera, the main sensor here is the 50MP IMX766 sensor, and as you can see, the sensor size is also large here. The two other cameras, the first one is the 8MP ultra wide sensor, which one is the IMX355, and we also have 2MP macro sensor. The main sensor here also has the OIS support. What do you guys think about this camera module in terms of the design? Comment down below. Now on the front we have 16MP selfie shooter inside this punch hole cutout. So yeah, really basic camera setup for the specific mid-range smartphone here. Now this one also has stereo speakers, but we don't have the alert slider here. So yeah guys, this OnePlus smartphone does not have the alert slider, which we used to have in other OnePlus phones. Now if we talk about the battery, this one features 4500 mAh of battery, and the charging speed here is the maximum 150 watt charging. Now that's really good. So the base variant, the 8GB 128GB model, will have 80 watt of charging speed, and the 12GB version will get 150 watt of charging speed. Now this OnePlus 10R 5G, or we can say the OnePlus ACE, is going to be launched on the April 28. Now in terms of the color, this one will be available in two different colors. The first one is the grey color like this one. The second one is this light blue color. Also the new OnePlus 10R, or we can say the OnePlus ACE, will run on the Oxygen OS 12 out of the box, which is based on the Android 12. And if you look at the price, it will be around $550 for the base variant. So yeah guys, this is the OnePlus 10R 5G, or we can say OnePlus ACE. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.